Hello everyone, my name is Ritu Saharan and my age is going to be 26 years in next December. Well, this is the reason that I like the December year the most because I like the weather of the year, and most obviously as I get birth in that month, so I like that year, I mean the month the most. Let's talk about my hometown. Well, my hometown is in India, that is Kurukshetra. Well, the reason behind the renowned city of my country, Kurukshetra, is that one of the religious fight related to a religion was fought over there, and this is the reason that my city is renowned in our culture or in religion. Let's If I talk about a company about which I am making the video, then obviously Nestle company is the most to which I admire the most. The reason behind this is, as we all know about the Nestle, that they provides the product of different variety, and the variety and the dark chocolates, everything that is healthy for our health, is the main reason that I admire it the most. Let's go to the next question about the company. uh, let's start with the past of that company. That company started in 1867 by Henry Nestle in Switzerland. um, well, there are many stories behind that lead to make that company from rich from a kitchen to a brand. I'm talking further about that. That the Nestle started in 1867 by Henry Nestle, and in 1867 it just provided the infant cereal for the mothers who can't breast their child, and so it was the commencing of that company. Later on, Nestle posted its business overseas and it's opened its first American factory in 1900. Like, it was the reason and was the world wars that led that company to reach up to that level. Um, in 1947, company merged with Maggie, and from there, the company never looked behind and reached the steps over there. And later on, about I had told about the companies why you like, as there are so many products they are offering, the so many kinds of, as there is a Nescafe as well, that's I like the most. About the dream position, I want to be CEO of that company, and to get that position I definitely am doing the same course in business management, and doing that I can get that position. And to enhance next level, well, the competition is always there between the companies, and there is a competition with the Cadbury as well of Nestle. So I think, as the company did in 1947 by merging with Maggie, so I think the company should merge with some other brands so that they can compete Maggie as well. So that's it for the company. Thank you very much.